love you so much. Oh my god, I will never forget
Boy, someone took a fat shit in my car. Bro, that stinks, bro. No, it wasn't me, bro. That was... No, I didn't fart in the car, man. No, you. Yeah, Cool Ran. Why are we saying Cool Ran again, man? I don't know. What? Yeah, Cool Ran. Cool Ran, bro. I love you, Cool Ran. Yeah, we love you, Cool Ran. Okay, boys, we out here in parking lot of Tampa right now. We got the Lightning jersey on, and such my chain, man. And heading to Tampa, getting right into Emily right now, bro. And I'm waiting for my boy to put his jersey on. Yo, Jacob, what jersey are you ripping?
Ripping the Patty Maroon jersey, baby.
The Patty Maroon jersey? Is that the reverse retro 1.0? Yes, sir.
Best of the best, eh?
That's a clean looking jersey, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. What? Beautiful lights out in Tampa, bro. It's beautiful, but we're in Florida. It ain't even snowing, bro. Yeah, like, come on.
What are the game predictions tonight, Dom? What are we looking at here?
Who's taking it? I think I'd say Lightning 3-2 overtime. Yeah. And what about you?
Man, I don't know. Seattle's looking good this year. They beat Florida last night, or the night before. I don't know. I'm not a score guy. I'm too superstitious, but I hope the Lightning take it. I'm predicting a goal from my boy Maroon. I didn't start him in fantasy, but I hope he. I mean, I would love for him to score, but no game.
Yeah, I'm heading there right now. We're almost getting to Emily right here. Let's go.
Listen, I guarantee you we won't see a single Kraken fan on it. That's my prediction.
Okay.
Not one Kraken fan.
Not one Kraken fan?
Okay, there's one up there, but we won't see more than 6. They're a new team. They don't exist.
Okay, so boys, we're back in Tampa. We are back at Thunder Alley. We got a game today here, boys. And like I said, I told you, Lightning are going against the Seattle Kraken. Yeah, the Seattle Kraken. Seattle Kraken. He's back here. We're back in Tampa, boys. So we're back. Beautiful. I'm saying beautiful. So you got Corey Perry warming up. He's stretching right now. Omar, you got Kucherov on the ice. Okay guys, this is not our seats. We're just want to watch the players warm up, you know? Just want to see them warm up and bro, this is a good remix. Drake and this idiom song.
Our seats are sick.
It's actually a good view, not gonna lie. Hey, Pat Maroon? Pat Maroon? Okay, there he is. There's Pat Maroon. Favorite player, yes sir. Champions favorite player, number 14, Patrick Maroon. A big ring. Sir, we got Pat Maroon in there. Look at this, bro. Look at this dude. Kucherov, yes sir. We got Gucci Cooch. And bro, this lady is and Ronnie Gordon.
How the hell did he get on the bench?
Former Lightning player, Ronnie Gordon. Always. He's Lightning, always be a wolf. Always be a wolf. Screw the Kraken bullshit. He'll always be a wolf. He'll always be remembered as a wolf, bro. section 8. We're section 8. Seats 8 and 9. That's where we sit. For now? Yeah, let's sit here for now. Seattle, you're in trouble. Woo! 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 Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey!
here are your Hammerman Lightning!
Let's go. All right, let's see who's starting up for the Lightning.
And left wing, number 79, Ross
Goldson.
Cooley.
Yeah. Is Riley Pat Maroon, you think?
And center, number 71,
Okay, so ready?
Anthony
Are they still-
and right wing, number
Hey!
14,
Yes, sir, Jim. Yes, sir. Oh, Pat Maroon.
on defense, number 52, Cam Cook.
What? Okay.
On defense, number 98,
Circuit set.
Kraken.
Woo!
And in goal,
Hey! Yes, sir.
ladies and gentlemen, your Hammerman Lightning.
We are back in Tampa, boys.
Let's fire them up in 3, 2, 1, hit Santa! Let's go, Lightning!
Two goals in the first period. Holy Bro, 5-1, yo. Bro. Seattle, what's going on? What do you want, bro? What happened? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sweet Caroline, bum, bum, bum. I've never seen so. Yo. Oh my god, this is just embarrassing.
A Seattle.
Good win, guys. Good win, yes, sir. Kraken! What happened? Oh my god! Holy 6'2", yo, 6'2". We just got out of we just got out of the building, yo. Yes, sir. That was a great game, yo. Very awesome game. Bro, the Kraken suck. Yo. What? Yeah, oh god. Like, what's up with them, yo? The Kraken are whack, you know what I'm saying? They're whack.
Tornado watch, people. Yeah, we're under a tornado watching school, and there's some like bad weather going on right now.
Yo, today's been kind of whack, not gonna lie. I usually wake up 5, 6 to go to school, to get ready for school. And today I woke up at 6:53, yo. So basically, yeah, I woke up late, and school usually starts at like 7:30. And look, surprisingly, I got to school in time. Like, I'm very surprised. Yeah, today has been kind of whack, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, and Delaney's over there doing her nails. Bro, we are stuck here till 4 o'clock. Yeah, insane. We have to stay here till 4 because of this tornado watch thing. Like, come on, man. This is the first time ever we have to stay here till 4 because of the tornado watch. Well, I mean, if hopefully the tornado watch goes away soon. So. Bro, this week looking kind of like, come on, it's the holidays, and we should all be having fun. It's not this tornado watch type shit. Bro, they just announced that we transferred to our 3rd period instead of our 2nd period. Like, bro, why? Why have to transfer to our 3rd period? Like, why have to transfer to our 3rd period? And this is stupid, bro. Like, bro, come on. 3rd period had US history, and I do not like that class. Low key, but man, can't believe we skipped our 2nd period, bro. 2nd period, I have the gym, bro. Or basically call it weight training.
Hurry up.
Huh? Hey, bro! What? Oh, my bad, miss. My bad, miss. Okay, boys. I thought we were gonna have to stay at school till 4, like we all thought, but luckily they released us at the same time. Yeah, we always leave school at 2:25, but luckily they did today, because I thought we were gonna stay at school till 5 because the tornado watch. But I don't think it's raining anymore right now. Well, we just gotta keep a lookout, you know. And I just got back home, just chilling, and I'm eating my Jeremiah's Italian ice. Y'all should go to Jeremiah's. The desserts there are awesome. The Italian ice, the ice cream, you should get some, bro. Just search up Jeremiah's ice on Google, and you'll find it right away. And school was so boring today, bro. It's whack. Holy Lord. I am so tired today, bro. I worked an 8-hour shift at the UTC ice rink, yo. And it's 11:26 right now. I'm about to fall asleep soon. Tough loss. Had a game today. We played against Steinbrenner. We lost 2-1. It was a tough game.
we scored in the second period, but they scored 2 goals in the third period. It's tough out there, yo, and it's tiring out. It was so tiring out there, and it was just tough, you know. It was just a tough game, and disappointing loss, but we worked our off, and then our next game, I don't know who we play, but we'll do better next time and work even harder and work smarter. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog today. Sorry guys, that's all for today's vlog. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button down below, and comment down below. And